Today, we will talk about how to construct a raised garden bed. Let's have a look at the details. A raised planting bed is a large planting box or enclosed garden bed that's elevated slightly above ground level. These beds are ideal if you have poor soil quality or bad drainage in your yard, since they give you a little more control over your plant's growing environment. An elevated bed can also help save your back and knees by reducing how much you have to bend and kneel. To build a simple raised bed, first find a flat, sunny location in your yard. Construct a frame for your bed with durable wood planks and fill it up with vegetables or flowers. The first step is planning your project. Choose a location for your bed that gets full sun, June 8 hours a day. Most vegetables do best if they get full sun for most of the day. Find a spot where any plants you intend to grow will get all the sunlight they need. Select a level spot. Find an area in your garden that is as flat as possible. Not only will this make it easier for you to build, but it will also help prevent water from draining unevenly from the planting bed. Find an area with room to move around on all sides of the planter. Ideally, you should be able to reach everything in the planting bed without having to step into the bed. Make your planter no more than 4 feet wide. You can make your planters as long as you want, but they'll need to be narrow enough so that you can easily reach all the plants inside. Build your planter at least 6 inches high. The planter needs to be high and deep enough to accommodate the roots of your plants, so 6 inches is the absolute minimum. If possible, build your planter 1 to 2 feet high. Select a durable type of wood for the frame to prevent rot. Wood is the most common material for building raised planting beds, although you could also use other materials, such as brick, concrete, or even aluminum siding. If you go with wood, select a type that is chemically treated to last longer. The second step is constructing the frame. Cut your timbers to the desired length. Mark the outlines of the planter where you want to build. Remove the turf from the area inside the planter. Loosen the soil underneath the removed turf. Take a garden fork and break up the soil inside the outlines of the planter. This will make it less compact and easier to work with. Dig down at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Place 4 wood stakes at the inner corners of the planter. Dig a trench 1 to 2 inches deep along the edges of the planter. Attach the boards to the stakes with nails or screws. Set each board in place in the trench along the edge of the planter. Use galvanized nails or screws to attach them to the stakes. Line the planter with hardware cloth to keep out pests. And the third step is filling and planting the bed. Fill the garden bed with a nutrient-rich soil mix. In order for your raised garden to flourish, provide it with plenty of high-quality soil. Offer a mixture of compost, topsoil, and manure or another organic fertilizer to keep your plants healthy and happy. Plant flowers or vegetables in the garden bed. While many people use raised planters to grow vegetables, you can use them for anything. Fill up your raised bed with tomatoes or carrots, or use it to grow flowers or decorative grasses. Plants that grow tall, such as tomatoes, cucumber vines, pole beans, or tall flowers like foxgloves, are good choices for raised beds. You may need to support them with stakes or trellises. Since your plants will be close together in the raised bed, make sure you choose good companion plants that won't compete for nutrients. Water the plants frequently to prevent them from drying out. Raised garden beds will dry out more quickly than gardens planted directly in the ground. Keep a close eye on your raised planting bed and water the plants whenever you notice the soil drying out. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.